Welcome to our Forks and Double Attacks tactical puzzle series. In today's video, you will solve a beginner-level chess puzzle. Let's set up our board first. A double attack, or fork, is when you attack two or more enemy targets at the same time. This can be an attack on two different enemy pieces or a threat of checkmate combined with an attack on an enemy piece. All pieces can perform a fork, but the knight is the most powerful at it. A fork is usually a very effective tactical tool, but sometimes it can be countered successfully. Take your time, up to 10 minutes, as these chess puzzles are little difficult to solve. In this video, you'll have only 15 seconds to make strategy and solve this challenge. If you need more time, pause the video before the timer runs out. If you solve a puzzle correctly, give yourself 1 point. If not, you get no points. Finally, puzzle is ready for play. White move first, and your challenge is white trades a pair of rook and then wins black bishop. Can you figure out how? Your time starts now. Share your progress with us at the end of the video. Feel free to use the comment section. If you appreciate our work, please consider giving us a super thanks. Your support greatly aids our channel in delivering high-quality content. Let's check out the solution. First, move rook to the square d7, and by doing so, it puts opponent's king in check. After any king move, simply capture a bishop. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash subscribe. Thanks for watching.